What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the postcard diva, crypto babe. Happy Money Monday. Hope you guys are having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, if you have not checked out my projects to see what I've got going on, go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check it out, see what it's all about. We're here to do a quick update, breaking news. Okay, we keep breaking news because this is a new project that's launching. It's in pre-launch and going through some testing, the Smart Desktop AI. All right, so what I want to do is basically update you guys. That's why I waited basically to the end of the day. I saw some different posts going on, thought I'd just let it simmer down a little bit, and we're kinda, it's done that. So I'm here to give you some updates. All right, so what has transpired today? Earlier, and we'll go over to the Telegram group. All right, because you should be in the Telegram group if you're a part of this program. All right, go in your dashboard, click the Telegram link, get in if you haven't done so. All right, hang on. Okay, this Telegram is acting up on my desktop, so I'm just going to read it from my phone. If you're in this project, you can go to Telegram and check it out. All right, but for the folks that aren't going in there and checking stuff, I'm just going to read it from here, guys. All right, so earlier today, this morning, there was an error, a 509 bandwidth error, because the company was actually updating the genealogy and the commissions. All right, so the development team was working on some stuff. So the website came back up, right? That was the first thing that happened. Then it came back up, and there were your commissions is showing up. Well, the people that signed up, not the commissions, take that back. Your genealogy of your folks. So here's an announcement. The site is back up, and we will be suspending all the enrollment, right? That's because they were working on it. So they came back up. All right, we're past that. Let me find the one here about the commissions, because someone had this question and I thought this was interesting. Hang on. Okay, this is from Brad. So when you go in there, you'll see this. Brad posted this special announcement about dashboard commissions and genealogy. When you log into your dashboard, you will find that there are genealogy links for Tier 1 and Tier 2 enrollments. Also, you will see a link for commission detail. For testing and auditing purposes, the first post has been limited to 20 each, and I'll show you that in a second. We anticipate the completed list being posted by the end of the day, USA time, on Wednesday, August the 7th. Only accounts that have been verified will appear in genealogy and are eligible to be commissionable. Again, to be verified, you must have to have your banking info, or if you're international, your WISE info submitted. Our goal is to pay on every real account. So they're saying one or two things. People didn't set up a real account, or there are people that actually joined. It's a real account, but they have not updated their back office to add their banking info. Okay, that has to be done. It appears. Okay. Unfortunately, numerous people have created anywhere from a few extra accounts to hundreds of extra accounts. OMG. All right, our goal is to complete the first payment for the month of July on August 10th. Now, that is interesting, but that may be, it makes sense. And I'll say that because when I went to, and I'm not going to show this because it will show people, people's name. It will show their name. But when I went into my genealogy, right? When I went here, so this is your back office, and this is what they're talking about. The commissions isn't showing right here, but right here it says genealogy and commissionable details, tier 1. If I click tier 1, it's going to give the first initial and last name of each person that signed up with me. Now, the very first person that signed up with me, his info is not there, and I know him personally. And I talked to him earlier, and he hasn't updated his bank info. So that may make sense in that sense, that it hasn't been verified. So I told him he needed to update his, and he's one of the people that paid the $20 when this first came out. So he has not updated his bank info, so I assume that means it's not verified. Okay, guys, so that's possible. Now that I can see, I don't see my person in there. But I think it's still some kinks in here, because even my sponsor didn't see some information in her back office. Okay, so some bugs and things are still going on with this thing. But at any rate, I know that's a fact because the very first person is not showing up. All right, now I will click tier 2 because it doesn't show anybody's information. I do not want to give out people's personal information. It gives their first initial and last name. So I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to go to tier 2 just to show you guys what it's saying. When you go here, genealogy tier 2, we're currently processing your account for payday on August 10th. Here are your first 20 tier 2 referrals. There's none there. So I'm assuming people have not referred anybody. They just signed up. Okay. All right. Again, but I'm still missing one. And again, that person that signed up with me, he hasn't verified his account, and he did sign up a person. So that may make sense. So guys, I highly recommend, if you actually want your account to be verified, you're going to have to put your bank info in there. All right, because they're not showing up, and whoever you signed up with for them to get the commission. First of all, I won't get my commission. You're not going to get a verified account. You can't get any commission either because you don't have your info in there. So if you're signing up people and you haven't put your bank info in there, how are they going to pay you? That makes sense. They're not. So they're considering you not verifiable. All right. So, and then if I click commission detail, there's nothing there yet because they're still working on that. We're currently processing your account for payday on August 10th. We have received your payment info though. See, they know I've completed this. This is what you guys will have to do. All right. So you got to come in here and click on update sponsor and payment information. Okay, and when you click that, you're going to get this page. And remember, we talked about this the other day. Sponsor code. My sponsor code is 2975. If you join me, you need to put 2975 in here. Put my first name, last name, Pandora Martin, and then you need to put your bank info. You put your name here. That's on your bank account. How is your name listed on your bank account, right? Your name, your routing number, your account number. All right. If you're out of the country, you got to get you a WISE account, WISE. Okay. And fill this info out. How is your name on your account? And then your WISE email. All right. So this has to be completed. This banking info, this is how they're verifying the accounts to be legitimate. Okay, so that seems to be what's happening there. Now let's see what else we got going on here. Okay, when you're in your dashboard, by the way, remember to, if you haven't joined the Telegram group, you can join it from here, guys. Just click Telegram. I highly recommend getting into the school group. It's only $2. It's $2 a month, because this is where they're putting the more pertinent information and any marketing information. It's just going to give you more updated info. All right. Now, also, there is a Zoom. See, this is in the school group, not on Telegram. I'm reading from school. The next Zoom, there's going to be a Zoom, will be on Thursday, August the 8th at 9 p.m. Let your affiliates know. See, the link is going to be on the calendar in school. You've got to get in there to get it. This will be recorded and posted in the Zoom recordings tab afterwards. So in order to get this information, you're going to need to be in school, the school group. In order to get on this Zoom, you're going to have to be in the school group. All right? So that's that. Let me see if there's anything else. Hang on. All right, I'm kind of going through the school announcements and getting this information. That's why I'm looking down here. And I'm not going to put it on the screen because this is a paid members group. You need to be in the group, pay your $2 to get access to it. Okay, here's another update. The $20 USD refunds. Remember, if you joined when it was $20, the company said they're going to give you that back. So let's go over that. For those affiliates that joined and paid the $20 one-time payment, those refunds have been submitted. So some of the affiliates have already received their $20 USD refund, and others will see it show up in their commissions on their dashboard and will be paid on the next commission run on August 10th. You must have your banking info or your WISE info submitted before August 10th, or else you have to wait until the next commission run September 10th. That's why I'm saying, guys, if you created an account and you're serious about promoting this and you want to earn the $60 commissions, if you don't put your bank info in there, it's not going to be a verified account and you're not going to get your commissions. So this is the first time I've seen this. So they're saying it right here in the school group. You must have your banking info in there. All right, in order to get commissions, in order for your account to be considered verified and valid. All right, again, the development team is aware of international affiliates who cannot create or use WISE. They are working on a solution. Okay, so that's another update. All right, hang on. Okay, that's what I see so far. I've gone through all the updates I've seen for the day. But I wanted to bring that to you guys because this is very important. All right. Everybody wants to get their commissions. But if you do not fill out this banking information, it doesn't look like that's going to happen. So even though you've signed up, say you joined me, I'm going to use myself as an example. You signed up, even if you paid the 20, right? And they're going to give you your 20 back. How are they going to give you your 20 back? If you don't put your banking info in there. Even if you didn't sign anybody else up, they're going to give you your $20 back, right? You can't get paid without your banking info in there. So it's not going to go any further. So what they're also saying, reiterate, you need to get it updated before the 10th. So basically, as soon as possible, okay, you need to do this today so that you can get your commissions on the 10th. All right? That's where we are. So, everything's still in motion. You can get your free account at www.coffeeandcoins.info. And remember, set up your banking info, guys, so that you can get your commission. All right? That's where we are. Just want to come back with a quick update for you guys. If you want the page that we are using, this is one of the ones I'm using right here. You have to sign up in school, the school group, from your dashboard, and you will see this page in there. I did not create it. I'm using it just like anybody else can use it. All right, but the only way you can get this page is you have to go into the school community, and it's in there as a template. If you want the other page that I was using, let's see, where is it? Here's the page I actually created. If you're interested in getting this page, just reach out to me. Again, I need to confirm that you have signed up with me. And in order to do that, again, you got to put your banking info in there because it appears that if you don't, it's not going to show up in our dashboard. All right, so that I can know for sure that you signed up. All right, but this page right here, again, absolutely free. You can get this if you're interested. I will give you the template. All right, this one just doesn't have the capture page on it, the info to collect the emails, so that you can balance that and know who actually signed up with you. That's why I am using this page here. All right, this is the one I'm using here, because if you come down here, you will see you got to enter your first name and your email and acknowledge you're 21 years of age to participate in this program. Okay, guys? So go here, www.coffeeandcoins.info. You'll click the link. You'll come here, fill out your first name and your email, and then you'll see the sign-up form. And again, you want to use your real name, your real email, because you see what's happening now. They're not going to pay out if they can't verify who you are. All right? That's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. I will keep you guys updated as progress occurs. All right? And I will see you on the next video. And before you get out of here, don't forget to smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.